So guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how I start to get CSS or coding, and that is really about to help you through that situation today. So what you're gonna do, it's about to understand situationally through the video. So through something that we can start to see right now, guys. So what we're gonna do actually is about to follow this video. So what we're gonna do is about to through that situation. So what we're gonna do is actually is about to go for enable DEV mode, and then as you can see DEV and start to add it. Now what you're gonna do is about select any layer. We can suppose this layer is really the triangle. We can start view auto generated CSS and then start to use the plugin that is really called CSS right here, Figma to Webflow, and here we are. You're gonna actually start to get it and paste your code inside it. You can actually to start to connect it with your that, and that is all about, guys, to help you.